For the latest film interviews, reviews, and everything making news in pop culture, subscribe to Film Companion now.
Even I would want to act in a movie which is not comedy. It's
Like a role, an actual
like a
character.
proper actual character.
Yeah.
So I do want that. But I wouldn't wait for someone else to cast me in that. Because I know I can write it myself. On the 25th or 26th day, on shooting half the schedule, my team, my makeup team, my hair team, they used to ask me, सर ये हम क्या बना रहे हैं? क्योंकि किसी को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. मैं एक डायलॉग बोलता हूँ, फिर वापस आके चेंज करता हूँ, फिर एक डायलॉग बोलता हूँ, कह रहे सर कौन किससे बात कर रहा है, क्या हो रहा है ये? Hi, this is Bhuvan Bam. Welcome to Film Companion. Today I have taken over the channel and officially this is my first interview and my first guest.
Bhuvan, just join our channel, I'm telling you.
Yes.
We could use the laughs and we could definitely use the views.
Yes, definitely.
Listen, first of all, congratulations on Dhindora.
Thank you so much.
20 million views I saw in the first 3 days. Number one streaming show in India last week. What is going through your head right now?
There are too many things that are running right now. So firstly, overwhelmed with the response. Secondly, there are 7 more episodes to come. So it's stressful now. It's like कि
Benchmark बहुत high हो गया.
हाँ, benchmark से ज़्यादा now the story has begun.
Correct.
So it's gonna go crazier now.
Yeah.
And I really want people to watch it.
And they are.
Yeah, and they are watching.
And they are.
Fingers crossed.
But listen, overwhelmed, you're saying. Tell me how you did not get overwhelmed playing 9 roles plus 10 roles?
Yes.
Okay, 10 roles plus I saw on your credits you are story, the credits are for story, concept, lyrics and you've co-written the screenplay.
Yeah.
So, इसमें overwhelmed नहीं हुए?
नहीं, इसमें stress हुए. इसमें because this is my universe, like.
हाँ.
And I know which character behaves like what and how the story should progress. And I was very lucky to find writers like Hussain Dalal and Abbas Dalal. They've been like the pillars for me throughout this show. And the day we met for the first time, right there and then we started gelling together with the concept. And that's how even they weren't typically aware of what I do, like what the characters are. They weren't familiar with it. But as we started writing, every day I used to go to their place to write and they would have watched like 10 to 20 episodes while I wasn't there.
Huh.
So I think it is a great teamwork that everybody on board, because it's their first project. People who are on board, it's like one of its kind, the project, because I am playing all the characters, the major characters. Yeah, it's been a learning experience and
तो
feels
कभी
nice.
डर लगा? इतना, you know, you had so much responsibility on your shoulders.
डर नहीं लगा, but we were always thinking that this should land right, because it's like a leap of faith for us to move out of that house, to move out of that char diwari, and to show people that these are the characters and you can see them in full shape and full length.
Yeah.
So it was challenging that way, but otherwise we were confident that okay, this can go online.
But Bhuvan, tell me, when I remember when we met the first time, right? 2018, okay?
Yes.
Our first interview, and I remember so clearly. You talked about how much you enjoy creating alone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You said कि वो एक कमरा था ऊपर, शायद भाई को नीचे भेजा था,
Exactly.
है ना?
Yes,
And you said कि it's me, it's my phone in one hand, I'm acting with the other, and क्योंकि I can experiment. Because there's nobody else there, I can experiment. और अगर नहीं अच्छा लगा वो edit table पे I remove.
Yeah.
But here you're dealing with so many people, including sort of really fine actors like Rajesh Telang. So how was that process?
So we shot with Rajesh sir for 3 to 4 days, but whenever I was doing the characters, so I knew there's no one on set, so it was the same, like in the house.
तो वही माहौल create कर लिया.
Exactly. Ulta, I used to look forward to have co-actors on set, so that I can have someone to talk to. And you won't believe, on the 25th or 26th day, on shooting half the schedule, my team, my makeup team, my hair team, they used to ask me, सर ये हम क्या बना रहे हैं, क्योंकि किसी को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. मैं एक डायलॉग बोलता हूँ, फिर वापस आके चेंज करता हूँ, फिर एक डायलॉग बोलता हूँ, कह रहे सर कौन किससे बात कर रहा है, क्या हो रहा है ये. बट आई वाज लाइक प्लीज़ थोड़ा पेशेंस रखो, जब एडिट आ जाएगा तो आपको पता चलेगा.
अच्छा, बट यू शॉट इट लाइक दैट, नॉट कि एक कैरेक्टर के सब डायलॉग्स करो फिर दूसरे.
हाँ, वो सीन पूरा वैसे शूट किया कि वी शॉट वन कैरेक्टर. फॉर एग्जांपल टीटू मामा वी शॉट एंटायरली, एंड देन the opposite character used to go and change and come back. But at times, because we have a lot of VFX in this,
right,
like we have shown 6 characters in one frame, and it's a one take shot. It's a single shot. I don't know how we pulled it off, but usme when there is a VFX shot, the camera is static. I have to say one dialogue, then I have to go rush and change again into that character, making sure the camera doesn't move and people
correct,
light doesn't change,
correct,
because we were shooting in natural light at times. So yeah, that was something which we kind of pulled off. But yeah,
but Bhuvan, these are all finally your babies, right? Every character, right? So how did you decide कि किसको prominent करना है, किसको थोड़ा sideline करना है?
so not that a character is sidelined in this, it's just that it's story driven. The show is story driven. It's a story that is going on, and all the characters are a part of it, and they have been given their parts, their roles. So इसमें ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई बहुत एक सेंट्रल कैरेक्टर है पिताजी का, क्योंकि उनके अराउंड प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है.
Right.
That's it. बाकी सबका उतना ही है जितना एक एपिसोड में
होना चाहिए.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So you were brutal like that. As
Yeah.
a creator, you were like, तुम्हारा
'Cause I
हो गया,
know-
निकलो.
Exactly, because I know in future there are so many things that we are going to do with these characters.
Right.
So everyone will have their own time to shine.
अच्छा, and tell me, how did you get people like Rajamouli sir to give you a shout out? ये सब कैसे किया?
I don't know, पता है क्या? I was during the poster launch, we were shooting a video, and the poster, I was about to upload something, and then Rohit told me कि look, Rajesh sir has posted the story. अपने आप ही. And I was like, नहीं, fake account होगा कुछ ऐसा, कुछ गलत account होगा. But then eventually it happened, because I was getting so many messages from the south. The people were telling me that Sir Rajamouli has.
But do you know him?
We haven't met, and I really want to meet him, and because he made my week, my month. I was so happy.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's incredible. And what other sort of responses have really made you happy?
I mean, yesterday Ramcharan Bhaiya had shared, Junior NTR sir had shared.
Yeah.
Also from the industry, there are so many people who are not familiar with what I do. They don't know what BBK Vine says. They don't know the characters, but they saw the first episode. They saw the trailer and they were like, "Dude, are you playing all these? What is this?" So yeah, it feels nice that people who don't know what you do, the first thing they watch about you is this, and it feels nice because production quality भी थोड़ा अच्छा है. ठीक-ठाक है.
But you know, Bhuvan, as I was watching, I mean, and it's funny, it's warm. I was just thinking, you know, so much of your job as a creator is to make people laugh, right? And you've undergone a massive personal tragedy and a loss this year. How did you get past that? How did you find the strength to say ki I am going to move on and I'm going to create something like this, which is so ambitious?
I mean, they wouldn't want me to stop, right? Also, it's not just me who is attached to this project. There's so many other people who are looking forward for its release. So why to make them wait or make them suffer for this? This thing wouldn't go away or fade away for like the next 100 years for me. But I have to find something to distract myself, right? Or else खाली बैठे बैठे तो वही चलता है दिमाग में. But how can you find things where you can invest your brain and just let go of things? I think it's a learning that I'm going through right now and shall find light someday.
Of course. But it's also finding the strength, no?
Yeah.
And
Thanks.
you've been able to do it.
I am, thanks to the people around me, friends हैं और बड़ा भाई है. So it feels, I feel comfortable that I have these people around.
Yeah. You know, you'd also told me, भुवन, वो पहले इंटरव्यू में कि डर लगता है क्योंकि सब कुछ इतनी जल्दी हो रहा है.
Yes.
Right? That you had become famous, you had got that 1 million very quickly, then the next 10 million very quickly, and you said that I'm very scared of losing it. Is that still a fear?
It is, but I think with Dindora, it's taken a back seat.
Why?
Because I personally, चले ना चले, it's up to the people. It's जिसको जैसा पसंद आए, it's their choice. But for me, this is something which has given me so much more confidence that हाँ, वो चार दीवारी cannot confine me. I can move out of that house. I can create something which is equivalent to a Netflix or an Amazon series. I can do that, and on YouTube I can do that. And this gives me hope कि और कितना बढ़िया I can do, और कितना my other fellow creators can do on YouTube. वरना हम सबको तो यही लगता है ना, हम किसी और के ही मोहताज हैं. मतलब जब तक वो हमें नहीं बोलेंगे बनाने के लिए, तब तक हम कैसे बनाएंगे? But thanks to the people who are associated with this project, that they made this happen. And वो जो डर था वो अभी भी है कहीं ना कहीं, but वो बैक सीट ले चुका है. अभी क्या है, अभी the main driving force is how to make this reach maximum number of people, this project, and what next. This is my pizza base, this is my BB universe, this is my pizza base. अब इसके ऊपर I'm gonna create more shows, इसके ऊपर I'm gonna create more movies, spin-offs with my characters. And
really?
Yes. That's been the aim throughout. Like,
no, but okay. So when you say movies, do you mean, because in many interviews you have said Bollywood?
Yeah.
But when I look at what you've done with Dindora, I just think you know, you're controlling this entire. You're the puppet master here.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Bollywood mein it's not like that.
Yeah.
So is Bollywood still an aim?
It is. But with Dindora, we have also introduced BBK Vines Productions, and our main aim is to find new talent. Our main aim is to find new, fresh scripts, so that we can create our own movies. We can create not just with the characters. If there are no characters, BBK Vines is not just about the characters. The production company, it's not about the characters. It's about new concepts, new stories, new way of shooting movies, new way of shooting series. So we have so much in our plate right now that we slowly want to gift it to the people.
So you will create your own path,
Yeah.
rather than wait to be hired by somebody in Bollywood.
Exactly. There have been so many auditions that I have not gone through, just because I don't fit the role, which is
Not gone through, matlab auditions you gave but didn't get the role.
Yeah, didn't get the role. But कुछ उसका मलाल नहीं है, क्योंकि maybe I didn't fit the role properly. But with this Dindora coming out, this gives me confidence कि हाँ, why do I need to feel bad about not getting selected when I have so many scripts, so many opportunities that I can create for myself. So I mean, I'm in a right headspace right now, because I know what we're gonna do next. And yeah, वो डर जो है वो थोड़ा सा पीछे बैठ चुका है.
Good for you. You know, I was talking to Diljit last month,
Yeah.
and he was saying something similar. He said कि, you know, I can always make music.
Yeah.
Anywhere I am, nobody controls that part of my life. और he said Bollywood हो, फिल्में मिले नहीं मिले, he said मुझे रत्ती भर फर्क नहीं पड़ता. He said
So true.
superstar हो गए तुम अपने घर में. Is that a little bit of how you feel?
I mean, फर्क नहीं पड़ता नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है.
अच्छा.
पड़ता है फर्क. Like
Okay.
I would want to act in a movie which is not comedy. It's
Like a role, an actual
like a proper
character.
actual character.
Yeah.
So I do want that, but I wouldn't wait for someone else to cast me in that, because I know I can write it myself. I know I can hire people जिनके साथ मैं बैठ के लिख सकता हूँ, and proper tuning बैठ जाएगी ना उनके साथ. There's no क्या बोलते हैं उसको, हम उम्र अगर मिल जाते हैं साथ में तो फिर यू क्रिएट गुड स्टफ, यू क्रिएट समथिंग विच यू आर फॉन्ड ऑफ. तो आई थिंक सेम इधर ढिंडोरा में भी वी वुड हैव गॉन फॉर अ नोन डायरेक्टर, वी वुड हैव गॉन फॉर समवन हु हैज़ ऑलरेडी डन सीरीज इन द पास्ट, बट वी गॉट हिमांक. It's his first project as a director, and he got what I wanted, and I could explain it to him on the set. और उसमें कोई क्लैश ही नहीं था, क्योंकि वो समझता है, मैं समझता हूँ, और सेम एज के हैं दोनों. सो दैट्स द एम कि सब लोग साथ में लिखें, बढ़िया लिखें, और किसी का वेट नहीं करने कि कोई हमें बताए कि हाँ जी आपको इसके लिए कास्ट कर रहे हैं तो आप ऑडिशन दे दो, फिर नहीं हुआ फिर आपको ही बुरा लगेगा कि अच्छा यार ये नहीं मिला वो नहीं मिला. तो हाँ.
You had said, Bhuvan, ki you want to be the Dharma Productions of YouTube.
Yeah.
You want to create origin stories for these characters.
Yeah.
You want sort of your own universe. Yeah. So is Dhindora the first step in that direction?
Exactly. Like I said, it's a pizza base for me.
हाँ.
वो बेस बिच जाएगा इसके बाद, फिर इसके बाद हैलोपिनोज में मैं टीटू मामा का फिल्म बना दूंगा, फिर उसके बाद कांदे में मैं समीर का एक स्पिन ऑफ बना दूंगा. सो देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट वी कैन एक्सप्लोर विद दिस. या इन द एंड बीबी की वाइन्स प्रोडक्शन एम्स एट डूइंग थिंग्स वेयर वी कैन एक्सप्लोर अदर जॉनरास ऑफ सिनेमा.
एंड इज देयर अ मार्क दैट यू हैव सेट फॉर योरसेल्फ कि इतने व्यूज होंगे तो मैं खुश होऊंगा, इतने नहीं होंगे तो मैं नहीं होऊंगा? What is that? क्योंकि otherwise how do you know? That's the only barometer, right?
Yeah. हाँ, there is this thing कि इतने views हुए तो आपको लगता है हाँ okay people are liking it, but more than the views जो comment section होता है,
right?
If the comment section is nice and happy.
तो क्या हुआ है with your first episode? What type of comments have you seen?
यार I was so scared क्योंकि the main fear was, will people accept this?
Yeah.
Will people accept the full length head to toe characters? Will they accept the way it's been shot? And trailer के बाद से ही people have been sending so many messages कि okay we didn't know that you could pull it off like this. We want to see the first episode. So first episode को लेके डर शुरू हो गया कि ये कैसा रिसीव हुआ. फिर अभी फर्स्ट एपिसोड आया, उस पर बहुत पसंद आया लोगों को, बहुत पसंद आया. एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी बिकॉज people are messaging me कि we are so glad that we are getting to see this and for free.
Right.
क्योंकि प्रोडक्शन उनको समझ आ रहा है कि कितना they know how much has gone into this,
Yeah.
and still you are giving it us for free. So I think that's something जो conscious decision था हम सबका, and it's nice to be in this space. Views तो आएंगे, views अब जैसे जैसे लोग बढ़ेंगे वैसे वैसे views इस पे आते रहेंगे, बट क्या कमेंट सेक्शन में भी वही मेंटेन है, वही अच्छा लग रहा है लोगों को? तो आई थिंक हाँ ये अब 8 हफ्ते चलने वाला है कि क्या ये पसंद आया, क्या ये पसंद आया. और हमारी आदत भी है ना, हम लोग बैठ के रात को क्या वेले ही होते हैं, हम लोग बैठ के नए नए कमेंट्स पढ़ रहे होते हैं कि क्या लग रहा है क्या लग रहा है, और ढूंढ रहे हैं कि कोई ऐसा है जिसको पसंद नहीं आया.
Right.
और मिलते हैं रात में कि ये क्या बना दिया, ये क्यों बना दिया, वही ठीक था, पुराना घर ही ठीक था. बट सही है, सबका अपना ओपिनियन है, और कई बार लगता भी है कि क्या ये गलत स्टेप तो नहीं है. बट देन यू लुक एट द पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ इट, कितने सारे लोगों को पसंद आया. सो पीपल आर रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट मी द वे दिस हैज़ बीन शॉट, एंड यहाँ से there's a path, yeah. Feels nice.
Tell me finally, Bhuvan, do you think that you're a very different person today than you were when we first met?
I am a lot different because I've heard no so many times.
For what?
For everything.
जैसे क्या?
जैसे you asked someone for a favor, you asked someone to do from the industry only, you have asked people to do this favor to you, और छोटा भाई बोल के I was, मतलब बोलते हैं आप ऐसे कि प्लीज़ आप कीजिए ना देखिए ना. I would naturally ask people for favors कि आप ये शेयर कर दो एक बार, can you talk to someone else for me, can you do this, and they used to say yeah we'll do, but it never happened. So I knew that okay, I've chosen this path, so now I'll have to deal with people saying no, and I have to deal with people ignoring me. So
or saying yes and not doing it.
Yeah, or saying yes and not doing it.
Which is worse.
Yeah, which is worse.
Yeah.
So last time से लेकर अभी तक I have stopped keeping expectations. मैं पहले भी नहीं रखता था, but now I have to एकदम given, I won't keep expectations from anything or anyone, because in the end it bugs you only. वो आपको ही तंग होता है फिर. So yeah, like that I have changed a lot. And
थोड़ा सा हार्ड हो गया?
नहीं, सॉफ्टी एकदम. बट हाँ, अब ये समझ गया हूँ कि कोई बोल रहा है कि हाँ करके देता हूँ तो होगा ही नहीं वो. तो पूछना ही नहीं है किसी से. But
yeah, it is a tough business. No?
Yeah, but the hunger is I think 2x from the last time that we met. बहुत hunger है, मतलब अभी भी there's so many things going on in my head कि what do I do next in terms of the episodes that are coming. So I think yeah.
And are these all already shot, or are you still working on them, the rest of the episodes?
No, they've been delivered already. They are on YouTube.
तो फिर
hidden.
how will what do you mean when you say I'm thinking about what to do with them?
How to
मतलब marketing.
Right. Yeah.
Right.
क्योंकि अपनी नैया वही है, हम ही एक्टर हैं, हम ही मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं.
It's the ultimate one man show.
Yeah.
Well, good for you. Good for you, Bhuvan. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having
and
me.
again, many congratulations.
Thank you for being my guest. So, here we end the first episode of Film Companion with Bhuvan Pao. Thank you.